Hey guys, it's Marcy with Make It Work Marcy. I'm ready to plan for November. It is gross and rainy and cold where I live, but I've got some pan away in the diffuser and it smells so fresh. I can get you some if you want some, but first I want to show you how I plan for the month of November. If you had a rough October, I am here for you. I've got your back. I'm going to show you the fastest, easiest way to plan for your homeschool month. This is a step-by-step process I take each month to plan out our assignments. I have a kindergartner and a 4th grader and a 6th grader. My kids are in a hybrid school on Friday, so that takes care of science and a few other subjects. And all that information is in my curriculum video, which I'll link at the end of this one. Okay, this is the month of November, blank slate here. I'm sorry to all you OCDers out there that the stickers are different. I'm running out of my number stickers and I'm going to get some more and it'll be better next month, I promise. But for now, we're going to make it work. And I'm going to get out my personal calendar for my first step, which is to write in our activities and appointments for this month. And I'm also going to use this time to look at the calendar for the school, for the county that we live in, just to get an idea of how they're doing things too. Alright, step 1 includes activities that my kids are in, like gymnastics and also guitar. They do stuff at church. There's a few different activities there. CHR is the name of the hybrid school they go to on Fridays, so I have those marked off. And then I have Thanksgiving, of course, and the little stethoscopes are days that I work. So this is a quick overview of our entire month besides school stuff. This is the month, the 18th, or I guess the 19th through the 23rd, that the county where we live, that's where they're taking their Thanksgiving break. I'm not planning on it because I honestly would rather take off those days at some point throughout the year other than this week. We don't have anywhere that we travel for Thanksgiving. There's just no need for us to kind of sit around the house. Of course, we'll take Thanksgiving off, but I'm going to save those days for later on this year is my plan. But the girls' math assignments are here divided into O for Olivia and S for Sophia. We do use Math UC. I really like that program, but we are going through it faster than the way it's laid out, and I've explained why we do that in one of my previous videos. If you want to check it out, I will link it at the end of this one. My kids use timeforlearning.com for their English work, and this is how this website works. This is online, by the way, and it costs $35 a month. I have some more details about it listed in one of my videos earlier about their curriculum, and I'll link that at the end of this video. So I'm going to come to the home screen here and go to Manage Students. Then I'm going to choose Olivia, and I'm going to say Review Activity Plans. And then I'm going to go to the week that we are going to be starting, which will be November, the week of November 4th. And so it pops up with, they have like an activity each day with usually a quiz, not always, but usually they have a quiz and an activity. And so I'll just choose which days they do which activities. And they can do this from my mother-in-law's house or from wherever they go during those days that I work during the week. So that's really nice that they can still keep up with their English work. So if you wanted to, you could really set up their entire school year and choose the assignments and which days they're going to do the assignments for the entire school year. But I just break it down into month by month. I like to do month by month. It's just a little too overwhelming for me to try to do the entire school year at one time. But honestly, things change, kids get sick, you might go on a trip, you might even change curriculums throughout the year or in the middle of the year. So I just stick with month by month. And the final step is to decorate. Have fun planning for November, you guys, because you know, if I can do this, anybody can do this.